Yo guys, what's happening? This is part 13 of Nascar Heat 5 Career Mode, Season 2 in the trucks. Got up next Era Energy 250 at Daytona. We're doing one race per episode now, because it's like 40 minutes long, and I want like 20 minutes long, and I want to keep doing 25% races for sure, so it's like kind of long. Oh dang. But yeah, Daytona. Up next, 238,000 purse. As we're on Jordan Anderson Racing now. There's no like points yet, but here's our stats going into the season. This is last year, so it won't add yet. But alright, we have an incentive contract. We need 4 top 15s in 4 races. Basically, we need a top 15 at Daytona, Las Vegas, Atlanta, and Homestead. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, I'm here. We're gonna skip practice qualifying because I'll start last anyway. Oh shoot. Oops. Our teammate, 14th, our former teammate, 13th, Todd Dillon. Former teammate, Josh Rayu, my pro. Yeah, let's get last anyway, because obviously you get last in a circuit play race. And it took me a while to get down here because freaking doorbell rang, freaking UPS was here. Some damn Matt. Hopefully Daytona goes better than last season. That's still not fixed. We got brake checked by freaking Christian Eckes. Pretty sure John Hunter stole my thingy. Look at my sweet new truck on Jordan Anderson Racing from South Point. You already know. Pretty slick truck. I might change the look of it some races. An alternate scheme. But at Daytona, everyone uses their regular scheme, so Rafael Lesser, go. You gotta go, man. Man, if only we had a franchise mode, I'd be grinding on that too. If we had a franchise mode, bro, that would be amazing. And what if Career had like a franchise thing too, where drivers change stuff? That'd be so cool. Like 2K, you know how the franchise mode, my league, where like players go to different teams, simulated. Yeah, we should do that. I would do that. Whoa, you were not clear there. Sorry, Taylor Gray. Yeah, that'd be cool. Because in our rookie year, Jimmy Johnson's gonna be there. But when we retire, Jimmy Johnson's gonna be there. Did we just get some damage? Oh, I thought we did. I saw like the thing. 2 to go. This season is a change, guys. We're making the playoffs this season. Well, I was gonna join the series, but I couldn't. Probably because we didn't get an offer from an Xfinity team. So that's probably why. Jesus Christ, Clay Greenfield. We have no draft because of you. Renegade. Luckily, we're really coming on to go. And I got brake checked last season at Daytona in the final stage too. That's what sucked. We didn't get a caution. And tried to make it time on pit road, but I beat Christian Eckes on pit road last year. Oh, here's Christian Eckes right here. I beat him off pit road because I didn't take any tires, or I might have took 2 tires. But man, Josh Rayu is still up there. I thought about Jordan Anderson for a second. I don't know. Oh, Jordan Anderson is right up here. Big run on Clay. Yeah, I wasn't gonna do it. He would have just shoved me on the apron. We'll try it. Can we clear him? Oh, shoot. Good freaking. No! Oh my gosh, thank you. Did I beat him? We're like tied. Oh, he beat me. Dang it. Oh, there's right person. But dang, I could have easily spun out there. We're definitely not pitting. We did not gain any spots. Woohoo! I could probably get to the bottom going in one. Or like out of the triangle maybe. Three flags back in the air for stage number 2. I think we're gonna have one. Yeah, I think we're gonna have one green flag pit stop. That's what we had last year here, Daytona last season. Go above Tyler, because we cannot get to the bottom. Oh shoot! I forgot to shift. Oh, they're checking up a little bit. This helps us. Let's go. Can we get underneath Clay Greenfield? Almost. Why couldn't you just come in front of me so I can go on the inside? Man. Thought you were a man. Thought you were a man. Yeah, it's from a song from IVP. Why do I always talk about YouTubers in these episodes? I don't know. Couple of yellow line, I don't care. They don't have that rule in this game. Clay! Or, why did I say Clay? I meant Mike Harmon. Alright, we gotta go for the top 15 Tanner freaking grade. Where's John? Why is John Hunter's all the way up there? Like, come on, I lost all these spots. I mean, he's right here now. He's falling back a little bit. John Hunter's not my rival in the Cup Series, but he's not going to. What if we just switched over? That'd be kind of dumb. But also kind of smart, because it's the same person, just in a different series. Austin Hill in the lead. What happened to Josh Rayoon? He's in 6th. I think I see him up there. Draft from Mikey boy underneath him. Oh, don't let Tyler Eakin come underneath me. No. I'm tired of seeing his bumper. Iuna. I don't know what the hell that is. One more time around stage 2. Matt Crafton, your leader. Angela Ruck. Side by side. Oh, I had nowhere to go right there. Not gonna. If it was right here, if he brake checked me right here, or just like stopped like he did, that would have been perfect so I could get underneath him. But Ross Chastain in the lead, I think. There's 4. I don't know. Nice Motorsports have the same 4s. They all start with a 4, and they have. Oh, it's Ross Chastain. I see 4. Yeah, they all have a 4 in it, and it's the same number font. So if you just see one number, you don't know who it is. And it looks like Ross Chastain wins the stage. Will come 22nd. There's our former teammate right there, Todd Dillon. That's why it's so good now. Our teammate comes 19th. Wait, what? Oh, I thought I said Josh Rayoon first, but he got 3rd. Ross Chastain wins stage 2. We are pitting. How much should we take? I'll just take right sides. Yeah, move up 9 spots here, boy. Green flag back in the air. Final stage is underway at Daytona. 13 laps to go. Jose Smith, you ain't coming down. Oh, oh yes. No, Gusty, why are you coming up? Why are you coming up? I'm gonna get a draft monster myself. Why is Joe Nemechek up here, man? We have Riley Hurst up here. I don't know why Josh Reed was up here. I don't know why he got the pull. I don't know why Austin Wade subbed up here. I mean, he's rarely does good. He's the whoa! That was my fault. That was my fault, guys. Oh yes, Austin Wade up. Leave that bottom open. In order to go to the high side. First time we've done that already. Because I just want to keep the bottom. Oh, this might be a bad move. We gotta clear Austin Wade stuff going into 3. You got it. Let's go. 3-1. Woo! Coming, baby. We still gotta do our pit stop. So it's not. What the hell? I kept my lane. I kept my lane. Josh Rayum in the lead side by side with Alvin Hill. We're side by side with Ross Chastain. Oh, we have to hit him. It's okay. Oh, we have some damage. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All you need to do is get top 15, but we're going for this win as well. Start off the year with a bang. At least a good finish, okay? If we can't win, top 5 or top 10, alright? Maybe probably top 5. I swear, if Josh Rayum wins, wow. He owns that team, Rayum Racing or whatever it's called. Teammates with Angela Ruck and I forgot the other guy. His teammates with. It's not Clay Grief. No, not Clay Grief. No, not Joe Nemechek. No, that's Nemco, of course. Or we're gonna get a big draft on Josh Rayum here. Why is he trying to be a little sneaky? Try to switch lanes, huh? Come here! Nine laps to go. Big bump almost. Okay, I just had to do something quick. Just had to check something. Oh, can we get out of Josh Rayum? Yes, we can! Ross Chastain, please don't go up to Josh Rayum and push him instead. Oh no, he was trying to push us, but now we got off the hill. No, I hit the apron! Now he's gonna push him. Oh, now he's gonna go way out front. No, Ross Chastain's gonna get underneath us. But he's not going underneath us. He will in turn 1, though. I'm not gonna get him. Yeah, I'm not gonna get him in turn 1. He's going up high for some reason. Yeah, we're gonna have to pit anyway, so I'm gonna try to pit with these guys. Yeah, I'm gonna risk it. Ross Chastain to the lead in Daytona. Can we get underneath Josh Rayum? No. Dang it. Put Josh Rayum back to the lead. Pushed by me, by Johnny Pop. Oh! Josh Rayum isn't even hot or anything. Well, there's some guys way back in the pack. There's one guy that's like going to the trioval right now. There's some guys going to turn 1 right now. Oh, that guy's pitting. But he was way behind anyway. Hey, Josh Rayum's getting out front. Like, boy, what is this? They're good for me. 2 laps, a few left. 6 to go. I'd be glad if there be a caution. Oh, get around the track rail. Oh, we're here. I hit the apron! Again, bruh. Bruh. I'll come in next time. Oh, shit. Why are they not coming in? Oh my god, we did DNF. Woohoo! Bro! Oh, still getting hit. Alright, we're not fixing our dang car, that's for sure. Oh, we're taking right side. No, I wish you could take left side, but I have to take four. We cannot fix our car. How are you all in the back, bro? I should have pinned that lap. Yeah, but everyone else doesn't freaking come in at the time, so then I won't get the draft. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. Look at this thing. It's been through a lot, okay? And I thought it was going to go down slower, the tire wear thing. Jordan Anderson. Alright, we gotta get that top 15 though. Get a freaking draft! I'm in the draft! Oh my god, come on! How am I not getting a fucking draft? How am I not getting a draft? And how in the hell is Natalie Decker in the lead? How did I not get a draft? It is this crap. It's like Sheldon Creed's gonna win. That's Stuart Friesen. How do you not get a draft? I have damage on, but you still get a draft. God, oh. The problem with these dumb games, Sheldon Creed wins. I don't fucking care. Oh my god! Don't care. And first of all, if I would have pitted, I would have got screwed anyway. Because I would not have been with the pack. would have gotten screwed over. Then they'll all just fly by me. I would not have a draft at all. Like, what is this crap? Garbage. Getting screwed over. This is the second time I've gotten 31st at Daytona. It's so garbage. I don't care. I was in a compliment. But yeah, no shit, Matt Crafton. Have another truck race. We're going with 2 top 15s. Next episode we have Las Vegas. Here's the points. Here's the playoff thing. We need 27 points out. Let's just start the season. This game's garbage, okay? I'll just say it. There. You happy now? It's garbage. The game's legit doo-doo. First of all, I had to pit that lap, and they don't come in. If I can't come in by myself, otherwise I would finish 31st anyway. I wouldn't get the draft. And second of all, how did I not get the draft on the restart? My car was damaged, but still, it didn't have aero damage. You can look back, it didn't. This game is so doo-doo, dog crap. Like, actually, I'll see you guys in the next one.